Have you ever wondered what makes Sicily such a fascinating and unique destination in the heart of the Mediterranean? Today we take you to discover the 10 most enchanting places of this legendary island, where history, culture, and natural beauty are intertwined in a vibrant and colorful fabric. Prepare yourself for a journey that will take you from ancient ruins to Baroque urban centers, from sandy beaches to breathtaking mountain landscapes, selecting only the best that Sicily can offer. Palermo. Let's start with the capital, Palermo. A melting pot of cultures where Arabs, Normans, Byzantines and Spaniards have left their mark. Stroll through vibrant markets like Ballarò, where colors and flavors blend into a unique sensory experience. You can't miss the Palermo Cathedral, the Palazzo dei Normanni, and the mysterious Palatine Chapel, with its incredible mosaics. And for food lovers, Palermo offers delicacies such as pasta with sardines and the famous cannoli, a taste of paradise in every bite. Taormina. We continue towards Taormina, the pearl of Sicily. This small town, perched on a hill, offers spectacular views of Mount Etna and the Ionian Sea. Its ancient Greek theater is still a place of cultural events, combining the ancient with the modern in a timeless setting. As you wander through its alleys, let the romantic atmosphere and breathtaking views enchant you. Syracuse. Our third stop is Syracuse, founded by the Greeks and known for being one of the most important cultural centers in the ancient Mediterranean. Visit the Neapolis Archaeological Park, where you can admire the Greek theater, the Roman amphitheater, and the Ear of Dionysus. Don't forget to explore the island of Ortigia, Baroque heart of the city, with its cathedral built on a Greek temple. Agrigento. We continue with Agrigento and its Valley of the Temples, a UNESCO site that houses some of the best preserved Doric temples in the world. This place, nestled among almond trees and olive trees, is a living testimony of the civilizations that have crossed Sicily. Aeolian Islands. Changing completely scenery, we head to the Aeolian Islands. This volcanic archipelago offers extraordinary natural landscapes, from the thermal waters of Volcano to the black beaches of Stromboli. Each island has its own unique character, inviting you to explore and discover. Zingaro Nature Reserve. We return to the mainland to explore the Zingaro Nature Reserve, the first natural park established in Sicily. With its unspoiled coves and hiking trails offering spectacular views of the Mediterranean, it is a paradise for nature lovers. Cefalù. Our seventh wonder is Cefalù, with its imposing Norman cathedral overlooking the city. The medieval streets, the promenade, and the welcoming beaches make Cefalù one of the most popular destinations in Sicily. Catania. We continue towards Catania at the foot of Mount Etna. This vibrant city is known for its Baroque architecture and the fish market, the Pesceria, where city life is expressed in all its forms. Noto. Approaching the end of our journey, we cannot fail to mention Noto, considered the masterpiece of Sicilian Baroque. Every street and square seems designed to amaze, with an architecture that plays with the sunlight to create extraordinary scenic effects. Alcantara Gorges. We conclude our tour with the Alcantara Gorges, unique geological formations created by the volcanic activity of Mount Etna and the erosion of the Alcantara River, a place where the power of nature is manifested in all its beauty and strength. These are just some of the treasures that Sicily has to offer. Every corner of this island tells a story, every view opens up a world, and every taste brings you closer to the essence of a land that never ceases to surprise. Join us on this unforgettable journey through Sicily, the pearl of the Mediterranean. Join our channel, like if you liked the video, and get ready to discover more about this incredible Italian island. To the next adventure.